So you want to make a Flippity. You want to make some visibly random groups for your classroom. This is a great strategy for getting kids to work together, to collaborate. It's been shown to be highly effective. And what we want to do is actually make visibly random groups for the staff for our PD day on Friday. So I'm going to use that data to show you how to do this. So first thing you do is you come to flippity.net, and you're going to choose the random name picker as one of the choices. And here you get the step-by-step instructions to walk you through. So first thing you do is you make a copy of this template. You just click on it, and it's going to ask you to make a copy, and you're going to get an empty template to put the names in. It comes preloaded with some random names. We want to get those out of here. So we're just going to delete those, and they're gone. Now, next thing we want to do is we want to come over to our WO staff list. Now, this could be your class list, maybe coming out of Mark book or grade book. And usually when you get these, they aren't formatted very well. So in order to make these names sort of readable and easy to use in Flippity, what we need to do is we need to format them a little bit. I'm going to use the concatenate function. So I'm going to grab the concatenate function. So I use equals concatenate. I'm going to put the first name first. I'm going to put a space between the names, and then I'm going to put the last name last. I'm going to hit enter. That gives me the full name in a nice, easy to read format. I'm going to copy that down by grabbing that bottom right hand corner so it applies to everybody's names. Now I have everybody's names in a way that's nice and easy to read. I'm going to copy that list, and I'm going to bring it to my Flippity, and I'm going to paste it in here. And actually, a special point here, when you go to paste it, you want to hit paste special, and you just want the values. You don't want the formula. There we go. We also don't need these photos. We'll just leave that blank for now. So we've got everybody's names in Flippity. It's ready to go. We're halfway done. Next thing we need to do is go File, Publish to the web. And we're just going to click Publish. We're going to click OK. And now it's been published to the web. So if we come back to the Flippity instructions, we publish to the web. Now we need to get your Flippity link. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to copy that spreadsheet, and we're going to put it over here and just put in the URL. And here it is here. And then we're going to get the link here. Click it. There's the link. And now I have my random name picker. Right now it's set to pick a random name out of the whole list. What we'd like is to actually make groups of 2 or maybe groups of 3 or groups of 4 for our purposes. So here's our groups here. We can reshuffle the groups at any time. If you're picking individual students, you can roll the spinner to pick individual students one at a time. For the groups of 3, what we can also do is show a timer. So if this is some kind of group work where kids are going to be timed and then be switching groups, you can also show the timer there as well. So that's Flippity in a nutshell. Flippity has a lot of other features as well that go beyond just the random name picker. There's scavenger hunts, there's different games, crosswords, lots of different things that you can do on Flippity as well beyond just the random name picker. But the random name picker is a great tool if you want to get visibly random groups in your class. If you have any questions, come see me. Thanks for watching.